Screens, stress, constant distractions. That's modern day dysfunction. What if one pair of glasses could help you fight back? Hey, I'm Lars. After working 15 years with product design and lighting, I've seen how lighting can affect your health, well-being and productivity. And I just knew there had to be a way for light to help our minds and bodies adapt to modern dysfunction. I tried all the existing solutions. Blue light glasses, day glasses, you name it. They only solved a part of the problem. And they looked weird and with questionable quality. I wanted a better solution. Meanwhile, modern life keeps throwing more stress, more screen fatigue, more demands. The problem is we're simply not built to live like this, unless we have the tools to adapt. I wanted a better solution, so I teamed up with Carl Zeiss, the world leader in optics. And after countless prototypes and iterations, we made the ultimate product, the Color Cult Biochrome Collection. We didn't just pick colors at random. Together with Zeiss Vision Lab, we measured exactly how different wavelengths of light affect your body and mind. Using EEG and eye tracking, we identified the exact spectrums that improve focus, reduce stress, boost recovery, and balance our energy. This isn't just eyewear. It's a tool to make you feel better every single day. Be the first to experience the Color Cult. One pair, 4 Biochrome lenses. Join us on Kickstarter today.